everyone, I hope you're doing great. My name is Shrishti Mehrotra and I'm a learner in Job Center and I'm going to share my feedback about Job Center to you. Job Center is basically an online learning platform where we are taught soft skill, communication, English speaking and major ID skills by our teacher, Mr. Indrasen Pandey. Lockdown period चल रहा है. We don't even get into a mood of studying every day, not even a 1 hour. बट ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के थ्रू आप अपने आप को एनरोल कर सकते हो एंड यू कैन लर्न मेनी न्यू थिंग्स एंड नॉट ओनली न्यू थिंग्स. जो चीज़ें आप बैक इन स्कूल यू हैव लर्न बैक इन स्कूल दे ऑल जस्ट गेट रिफ्रेश इन योर माइंड. हाउ you just have to enroll yourself in Job Center and give your 1 hour from your 24 hours. Isn't it interesting? Learning many new things in just 1 hour every day. English speaking. English speaking is a major task. Speaking English is normal. सब लोग कन्वर्स कर सकते हैं इंग्लिश में, बट स्पीकिंग द करेक्ट इंग्लिश इज़ व्हाट यू नीड टू डू. कम्युनिकेशन शुड बी इम्पैक्टफुल. आप जहाँ भी जाओ, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ, स्टूडेंट लाइफ, किसी भी जगह आपका कम्युनिकेशन हमेशा इम्पैक्टफुल होना चाहिए. वो आपका फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन होता है. एज वी नो, फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन इज द लास्ट इंप्रेशन एंड टू मेक इट स्ट्रॉन्ग यू नीड टू एनरोल योरसेल्फ इन द क्लास. And I can share my experience also that firstly I just hesitated in front of the camera, in front of public speaking and many other places. I always hesitated what to speak, how will I speak, and the way of speaking, the way of standing, gesture, posture, all will go wrong. But when I enroll myself in these classes, I have just polished my all the skills and still learning and still overcoming from everything. From each and every problem I faced are just getting removed day by day by these classes. I really want you to join these classes as everyone should learn new things and also get and polish yourself in every area and so that you can make yourself shine like a bright star wherever you go and leave an impact.
Archita Pathak Sharma and I am a learner of Job Centers, and today I am here to share my personal experience of being a part of Job Center. Job Centers is an online platform which is giving us an opportunity to learn about soft skill and spoken English also. And honestly, my personal experience is very great. Being a part of this platform, I just feel a lot of confidence in myself. I just got an opportunity to interact with different people from different backgrounds. During the class hours, we just all students come together, interact with each other, and we just got an opportunity to different kind of activities which are like games to us. We just play game kind of things. We are just doing activities and we just feel a lot of difference in us. I don't know how it come possible, but it is, and this is all just because of Indrasen sir, who is just doing a great job, a tremendous job to enhancing our personality by just डूइंग ईजी टास्क और एक्टिविटीज़. लाइक सॉफ्ट स्किल इतनी ईजीली हमारे अंदर आ जाए और हमें इतना हेल्प करे, ये आई डोंट थिंक इट्स लाइक पॉसिबल थिंग. बहुत जल्दी हो जाता है. एंड जॉब सेंटर इज़ द प्लेस विच इज़ ऑल्सो गिविंग अस एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू गेट द जॉब. लाइक दे आर गिविंग अस द सर्टिफिकेट आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग दिस कोर्स एंड विच इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल टू गेट द जॉब. लाइक सॉफ्ट स्किल के बेसिस पे हमें जॉब बहुत जल्दी मिल जाती है. सो आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक इंद्रसेन सर एंड अदर गेस्ट लेक्चर्स के सारे फैसिलिटेटर्स जो हमारे गेस्ट लेक्चर्स देते हैं. थैंक यू एवरी वन फॉर गिविंग अस दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. थैंक यू सो मच.